Good morning, students. How are you? I am Post Kumar Singh, math teacher. I am working in the SNPS school, Balia. Today, the discuss about the number system. I am taking the definition of all definition of the number system, class 9. Number system. How many type of the number system? Natural numbers, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, even number, odd number, composite number, prime number, quit prime number, triplet prime number, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. So first of all, I am telling about the natural number. Natural number means natural number, all counting number starting point 1, all counting number starting point 1 is called the natural number. Starting point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means second definition of the whole number. Whole number. What is a whole number? Whole number. Whole number. All counting number with zero. All counting number with zero is called a whole number. All counting number starting point 0. We can say starting point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means starting point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dot dot. We can say the whole number. After that, integer. Integer means all counting number with 0 and negative number is called the integer. All counting number with 0 and negative number is called the integer. For example, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means all counting number and with 0 include the negative number is called the integer. Clear? Integer 0 is not negative integer, 0 is not negative number, not positive number. 0 is not negative number, not positive number, but we can say the whole number. After that, rational number. Rational number. Rational number, a number which is formed by p by q, and p and q are integer, and q not equal 0. P by q, form of p by q, where p and q are integer and q not equal 0, we can say the rational number which form p by q, where p and q are integer and q not equal 0, we can say the rational number. In for example, -5/6, -2/3, -7/5, 1/5, 1/2, 1/6 or we can say the rational number. After that, I talk about the irrational number. Irrational number means irrational. Irrational number means number which not formed by p by q. Number which not formed p by q. P by q and p and q are not integer. We can say the irrational number. For the example, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 7. We can say the irrational number, a number which not formed p by q, where p and q not integer. It means we can say the irrational number. Irrational number. After that, I discuss about the even number. Even number which divisible by 2. Number which divisible by 2, we can say the even number. Number which divisible by 2, we can say the even number. We can say right here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Means 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, we can say the even number. After that, I am telling about the odd number. Odd number means number which not divisible by 2. Number which not divided by 2, or we can say the odd number. For the example, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 5. Number which not divisible by 2, we can say the odd number. After the composite number. Composite number means number which more than 2 factor. Number which more than 2 factor is called the composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 14. Example 4 divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 4. It means more than 2 factor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After the 6, divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 3, divided by 6. More than 2 factor, we can say the composite number. After that, prime number. Number which not more than 2 factor. Number which not more than 2 factor is called the prime number. Or second definition, number which divisible by 1 itself is called the prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30 and 7. 2 is the even prime. 2 is the even prime. 2 is the even prime number. Number which divisible by 1 itself is called the prime number. After that, twin prime number, twin prime number, twin prime number, twin prime number. Two prime number, two prime number different between two, two prime number different between two. We can say the two prime twin prime number. For example, pair of numbers 3 5, 5 7, 11 30, 70 90. For example, 3 5 less than 3, it will get the answer to 7 less than 5 will get the answer to 13 less than 11, it will get the answer is 2. It means two prime number, but number different between 2, we can say the twin prime number, two pairs number, but different between 2, we can say the twin prime. 3 5, 5 7, 11 13, 70 90, 70 90, and 29 31. Second, I want to one things are clear. Twin prime number and triplet prime number, two type of prime number. Triplet prime number, triplet prime number. Triplet prime number means three prime numbers. There are three prime number, but different between two. We can say the triplet prime number. For example, 3 3 5 7, only one. 3 5 7. Triplet prime number 3 5 7 means 5 less than 3 2, 7 less than 5 2. We can say the triplet prime number. Triplet prime number is done, and after that, terminating terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. A number which end point of the digit, we can say the terminating decimal, and not in point of digit, we can say the non-terminating decimal. For example, for the terminating decimal 0.2, 0.35, 0.15, we can say the terminating decimal, and the non-terminating decimal means 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can say the non-terminating. I want to one thing are clear that number system means setup of number system means a real number, after the real number means setup of the natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, all setup of make the real number. Real number type of, there are two type of real number, rational, irrational. The setup of rational, irrational make it real. Setup of rational, irrational make it real number. Type of rational number, natural number, whole number, integer, even, or composite, prime number, twin prime number, all things the rational number. So one things are clear, rational number, irrational number make a real number. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe and comment also there.